All right, let's get it. You already know what it is. Let's get right into it. We ain't gonna waste no time.
Twist and turn and tired out my blood clot. All my knee feel like it there go get way. I was giving up. 2 out of 10 would not recommend. Let's get into the story time. So me and this client been a FaceTime, bro, for like over a year, and this man never tell me say, "Hey, me no want wheelchair." It wouldn't make a difference still, but you know, I feel like that is a important information you need to provide. You understand? My friend them decide say them a do a last minute girls trip, and me want go, but me never want to spend the money in my bank account because it was a nice even number.
Okay.
So I decide so I go take on 2 booking to go on the trip. Yes, I do that sometime. I not like spend my money sometime. Yeah, I don't want to ask the man for money sometime. You know,
Okay.
so me decide so I go take on booking and I put it out, and him reach out to me and one another person. So me and him they are chat now and sitting get my local deposit and see them say ma come to me. I wanna know come to me means say it's either a hotel or a Airbnb. Yeah, catch me in a car. I don't make people come in my yard. I people in my yard. I just okay. Stay. I don't want your
Smart.
spirit in my house. I don't want energy in my house. I stay. So book your hotel room now and sitting. The man texts me. When the man texts me, I tell me say I'm 5 minutes away. I had the bubble guts. I think maybe I go mash up in the hotel bathroom. I somebody think because I'm nervous. Anytime I meet people for the first time, for go give them a pum pum. As much as I don't want a shy girl, I get nervous. Me a human. So me didn't know I try to calm down myself.
It's so weird to hear these women talk about hoeing. Like so freely now. Like this is so weird, yo. This is so weird. Like it's so many things I could say. Like I could break this down line by line by line, but I'm not.
I sit man to me same day downstairs, but I know if they you know gone up in my body well, but they gone somewhere. So me now give the man the number.
What? This
boom 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 door knock. When me go for open the door, my peep, and I'm open it fully. I'm like hi, and he's like hi Goldie, and I'm like oh shit. In my head, me I said, blood clot. Hey man, now wheelchair. Could you tell me this? I'm going to take my vitamin and iron. Because for you deal that with me, deal with one already, you know. Me I forgot blood clot, put my knee in this, you know. Me never take no vitamins. The only thing me did take my blood clot, C-mass and my ashwagandha. So you could have prepped me for this? Alright, fine. And come in, you don't know me already. My price because I deal with my people, am I right? I have my nice like a core water, my bougie water theme.
The
My name
bougie
asks
water.
if you want like peppermint and them something there. Cause you know you have to get the unscented soap, unscented everything unscented because you don't know who is married and you have to go home to them woman. Yeah.
Yo, it's a whole thing to this. Like I did not know it was like a whole thing to the hold up. Well, let me not. I'm sure there is, but I didn't know like the unscented thing, all this other stuff. Man, I don't buy no coochie. I'm sorry.
That's if it be good and smell good. Kind of all of them want cologne. No, me give me water now in my drink and sitting and he must say to me say, "I want to dance for you." So I don't know me already, you know, I pop out my playlist because him love. Him not understand Jamaican music, but him love see me dance to it. So me pop on my little blood clot skillibang deja vu and you know me go with my little self or something. But he did it on replay, which him the alright with because me did drop a video and him just love that song there when me dance to it. So it is just up on replay. Now him say I go up on the bed. In my head, the caring part of me I say, I wonder if I go help that money out.
She slightly kind of looked like Sexy Red without the makeup. When you really looking at it, so that's probably what he definitely was like. Oh shit, man, I want Sexy Red. Man, I'll go see, but she have pink ear.
On the bed. I mean, I said maybe I'm gonna feel some type of way, so let me just wait until he asks. Somebody there dance same way. The blood clot frigga go up on the bed with ease. Go up on it quick, your friend. And go up on bed quicker than me. And me have foot can walk. Like, sorry, that kind of dog. But the truth, that's how I feel.
Oh, hilarious.
So now me that they dance and I said to myself if I can get him one wet rag, whatever. Cause I'm saying be it from when day. But him hear me talk how much
Freshen
time
up.
go clean, tweedle up and sitting. And him say him just want to make sure a little journey, whatever, 15-minute journey, whatever. So me give me rag and he wipe off and something for continue dance. So me that I go out myself. I'm a dancer for do what you want me to do. Me go with myself, you know. I'm saying for come over, come sit down.
Hey yo, let me tell you something. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That song has been stuck in my head for the last like 3 weeks. Freaky dancer, dancing for money. Do what you want me to. I don't know why the fuck this song has been stuck in my head. Like I heard this day like 2 or 3 times, and I can't I can't get it out of my head. So let me find out that's like really the whole song for real. Freaky dancer.
Alright. Me no pop out my look of skin, flip it on him twiddle bop, and the girl went to
Tweedlebop.
work because I never know, okay, then me go drop it on my throat type of thing. It was just the boom boom. So me did I go on with myself. Me I go on with myself. Everybody know after 10 minutes my knee clock out, you know. So if you're not bossing at 10 minutes, my knee clock out. So we did probably about in like 3-4 minutes in, out of the blue man tell me say I lay down on my back in the center of the bed. Why me blood clot go lay down on my back and this blood
Wait. So he's paying for a 10-minute session, or she just only do 10 minutes? I'm confused, but okay, whatever.
clot man climb over me and start walk me hole. Take up my blood clot right foot, put it over her shoulder and start walk. So me I say, oh, give him this a blood clot strength. I come have it say foot them a noodle. Forgive me for this. I just my mind. I don't know me speak my mind. Oh, you can't do this. The man start twist me. My foot there so. He must say, you're not skilled man. I think you're flexible. I must say, I must realize your competition is. I must say, yeah, I'm flexible. Man, take my foot. I must say, put it behind my head. Put my foot behind my head. And I take it next to them, put it behind my head. And then the blood clot twist one side. So, and he and him twist on the other side. And I saw the blood clot is. Turn around. He want back at. Sir, your little foot them now go. The foot them still can't break. You're not getting no back. You're not getting no back away from me. Me say no, me know what. You know, a style.
Damn, that shit wait till the last fucking end of this shit to fucking mess up. Damn, man. This shit waited to the last fucking second to mess up, y'all. I don't know what the hell just happened. Oh. We're gonna keep going. Fuck it. Let's go.
Forgive me for this. I just my mind. I don't know me speak my mind. Oh, you can't do this. The man start twist me. My foot there so. He must say, you're not skilled man. I think you're flexible. I must say, I must realize your competition is. I must say, yeah, I'm flexible. Man, take my foot. I say, put it behind my head. Put my foot behind my head. And I take it next to them, put it behind my head. And then him blood clot twist one side so. And him and him twist on the other side. And I saw the blood clot is. Turn around. He want back. Sir, your little foot them now go. The foot them still can't break. You're not getting no back. You're not getting no back away from me.
All right, so if y'all know what back way. If y'all don't get what she mean, back way. You understand? He's in a he's wheelchair bound and he's trying to go boom shaka like a dog wear. You understand?
No, me know what. You know, I style me. I was like, no, man, I'm not playing with you. Like he was like, oh, you playing with me? I'm like, I'm not playing with you, but
I like how the accent switched up real quick. I saw me do it. People them look upon me and say, oh, you do something there. And then I just start talking like this and they be like, what the hell? Hold on, wait, how did that happen? You know what I'm saying?
like, I could do it. Like, come on. Me don't know. Man start walking from the back. Me I say, oh, you have strength in your knee when you can't even walk. And the man walk it and he walk it and he walk it. Then after I'm done blood clot, I wear out my rat. You know, I'll come tell me if you go back, go ride it. Sir, I am tired. I want to sleep. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go home. So I decide so I'm going to put in one of my little trick for bus. So that is when I turn front way and I start talk my shit and my finger them coming like blood clot. Like my dip on L3 on the controller. If there's a gamer, you know what L3 is. I'm just tell them what's up my thing and sitting on alright and tell him boss. When I tell you I go into the bathroom,
what kind of trick is that? Because if she said she doing something like this with one, what kind of trick is that? Okay, lady, I guess.
Shower and tired. I was so tired. So tired. This is my second time ever do a man in a wheelchair. Will I do it again? Nope. I go automatically decline it. Next time I get a surprise visit like that, I'm just going to refund him because I was tired. Story time.
Nah, you gotta give it to him. Hey, listen, Oman. The man come on time house. Get in a wheelchair first. Get out time house. Get to the car. If him drive, put him wheelchair in the car. Crawl in the car. Get in the car. Drive in one car when mechanism. And when I use him on for do everything. Then him have to get out of the car. Him have to scrape him ass pan the pan because me sure say him not have no van. So him have to take himself and then probably have to go get him wheelchair out of the trunk of the car. And then him have to get where you there. So just imagine if you have step and him have to try to get up step. You have to give him something. Me just I say.
What? This
Me just I say. So, hey, listen, I ain't mean to do that. This is just a crazy video right here, y'all. I'm telling y'all. I wasn't expecting this one. This just messed me all up, y'all. I'm gonna have to put this together different. Hey, listen, all y'all whole talkers, I guess. I don't know. This is what they call it, like whole talk or something, like old TikTok. I don't know. Y'all crazy, man. Y'all crazy telling these stories, man. Like, do y'all got kids? Do y'all got family members? Do y'all not care? Y'all don't care, right? Y'all ain't got no shame. Like, you don't care. Like, you used to be like, mother used to care if they child knew they was a hoe or not. You know, it was a small few of women that didn't really care. They were just doing it. Most likely they probably was on drugs or something like that. But y'all really be out here like yamming and jamming on the who whamming and the flamming. You feel? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's your boy Urben Currse. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all see everything over here. I did it the right time this time, the first time, or whatever you want to call it. Because I'm always messing up. I'm always pointing this way for the ticker, whatever you want to call it. This is my last video tonight, y'all. I'm all tongue twisted. This one got me all crazy. I'm all loopy. I've been up all day. Yeah, man. If you don't know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because if you don't.